Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download LSSC application. For that, first of all, you need to just open your web browser in your mobile device, and here in the search bar, you need to just search for lightsha.com. So LSSC is the website from where you can download the LSSC application. But before that, you need to first of all create your account here. So if you don't have an account, you will have to create your account first. If you already have an account here, you just have to provide your phone number, your password, and then you need to just log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, the LSSC website should look something like this. Over here on the home page, you won't be able to see the app option of downloading. So in order to get that option, simply tap on the My tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here in the top, just before the settings icon, you will see app. So you need to tap on this app option, and your browser is going to ask you for some verifications, and it is going to basically ask you that you want to download this app or not. So you just have to tap on the download button in your web browser, and you need to download and install LSSC in your device. So this is how you can download LSSC app. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.